Hello, my name is Savannah Walker, and today I will be presenting my government final project. I will be comparing 7 different countries with 10 different topics. I first chose to compare by population. As you can see, the United States has roughly 325 million people. Great Britain has 60 million people, Mexico 123 million people, Russia 144 million people, Nigeria 190 million people, and China 1 billion people, and Iran 81.67 million people. I have a bar graph to the side to show a picture of roughly how diverse each country's population is. Next, I chose to compare by religion. Here, I have stated the main religions that are practiced in each country, starting with the United States with Christianity, Great Britain with Christianity and Muslim, Mexico with Roman Catholic and Jehovah's Witness, Russia with Russian Orthodox, Muslim, and Muslim, Nigeria Christianity and Muslim, China Buddhist Christianity and Muslim, and Iran with Muslim. And I got this information from the book. I then compared each country to the different ethnicities that the citizens hold. United States, primarily white with Hispanics and African American. Great Britain with primarily white. Mexican with mestizo. Russia with Russian and Chechen. Nigeria with Yoruba. China with Chinese. And Iran with Persian and Azeri. I may pronounce something wrong, and I am sorry if I did. I then compared the different languages spoken in each country. Here I have only stated the top or dominant languages. United States, English or Spanish. Great Britain, English, Welsh or Polish. Mexico, Spanish. Russia, Russian. Nigeria, English. China, Standard Chinese. And Iran, Turk or Kurdish. I also found this picture with what I thought was cool. Next, I compared the flags of each country. We have the United States flag, the Russian and Great Britain, Nigerian flag, Iran flag, China's flag, and Mexico's flag. One thing that I found was cool is that the US, Great Britain, and Russia flag all have red, white, and blue, and the others have either green and white or red, white, and green. The sixth topic I chose to compare is leadership. The United States has a president, as we know, Donald Trump. Great Britain is run by a queen and king with a prime minister. The queen and king are head of the state, and the prime minister is head of the government. Mexico also has a president, which is head of the government, state, and supreme commander of Mexico's armed forces. Then we have Russia, which is the president, which is Vladimir Putin. And we also have Nigeria that has a president, China that has a president, and Iran that has a president. I then added each country's top leading political parties. To start off, we have United States with Republican and Democratic. Great Britain with Conservative and Unionist Party and Labor Party. Mexico with National Action Party and Instructional Revolutionary Party. Russia with United Russia and Communist Party. Nigeria with People's Democratic Party and All Progressive Congress. China's Communist Party of China and Revolutionary Committee of the Chinese Kuomintang, sorry if I said that wrong. And Iran Combat Clergy Association and Islamic Coalition Party. Each country also has different currency. United States, as we know, is the United States dollar. And I will then compare each of these different currencies with the United States currency. Great Britain has the pound sterling, which equals $1.27 roughly. Mexico has a Mexican peso, which equals out to one US dollar is 5 cents. Russia has Russian ruble, which is $1 in US equals about 2 cents there. Nigeria has a Nigerian naira, which is less than a penny. China has the renminbi, which equals about 15 cents in the United States. And Iran has the Iranian rial, which is way less than a penny. The next two topics I picked were ones that I chose first, or ones that I found most interesting to me, first starting with highest paying jobs. United States is anesthesiologist. Great Britain is a broker, meaning stockholders, traders on the stock exchange, and so on. Mexico is a pilot. Russia is a ship captain. Nigeria is a musician or entertainment. China is luxury goods sales executive, and Iran is a surgeon. And lastly, I have a graph of average life expectancies for males and females in each country. The blue is male and the green is female. In US, I have 76 for male, 81 for female. Great Britain, I have 75 for male, 80 for female. Mexico, 74 for male, 79 for female. Russia, 76 for male, 77 for female. Nigeria, 54 for male, 55 for female. China, 75 for male, 76 for female. And Iran, 74 for male and 76 for female. This shows where each country is located, and I hope I did a great job on this project. Thank you for watching my screencast.